welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you at Donistan we have our 350 400 horsepower engine combination. Go over a little bit about the build spec of this motor. Started out with a late model 350 block 4-bolt main. Got the Eagle 350 rotating assembly in here. We had a comp cams custom grind, a nice hydraulic roller camshaft. It's got the this package comes with your choice of either the Edelbrock E Street aluminum heads or the Dart SHP aluminum heads. For the valve train, we're using the stainless steel roller rockers and Manley push rods. Induction on this motor, we're doing the Edelbrock 750 carburetor as a standard with the Performer RPM intake. And for ignition system, we're using the MST Pro Build distributor. If you're interested in this specific engine package or any one of our other ones, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940 or check us out online at proformanceunlimited.com. Let's take it over to Dr. Ron. I think you're pretty impressed.